Hello viewers, welcome to Top 5 Check. With our review, we will assure you that you're getting the best product available on the market. Please do check the product link in the description given below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this every day. So without any further delay, let's get started.
Top 5 Best MIDI Controller. If you're in any way serious about making music on PCs, Mac or iOS devices, one of the best MIDI keyboards on the list should be an essential addition to your home or mobile studio setup. We are having a look at the best MIDI keyboard available in the market and giving our thoughts on what we consider to be our top 5. So let's get started by number 1. Akai Professional MPK 249. 49-key USB MIDI keyboard and drum pad controller. Pro keyboard performance, 49 semi-weighted velocity sensitivity full-size keys, and premium piano style keybed for unprecedented response and natural feel. 16 RGB illuminated MPC-style pads, each with 4 blanks for 64 pads, and perfect solution for triggers, samples, loops on shots, melodics, and more. 24 assignable Q-Link controller compromises 8 control knob, faders, and switches engineered for hassle-free DAW or virtual instrumental mapping USB MIDI interface with 5-pin MIDI input and output. MPC mainstay controls including MPC note repeat, arpeggiator, MPC full level, tempo, and time division. Number 2. MAudio Air61 MKIV. Compact ultra-portable performance keyboard controller with 61 full-size synth action velocity sensitive key and onboard pitch bend and modulation wheels for excessive performances. 8 velocity sensitive trigger pads for beat production and clip launching. 8 assignable knob and 9 assignable fader for manipulating virtual instruments. DAW, parameter and plugins. Onboard LCD screen provides instant parameter feedback. Innovative direct link automatic map controls to popular DAWs including Ableton Live, Pro Tool, Logic, Cubase, and more. Number 3. Novation Impulse 49 USB MIDI controller keyboard. Ultra responsive semi-weighted keyboard with aftertouch, full DWA by plug-in control surface with 8 knobs, 9 fenders button, auto map 4 control software enables instant hand-on access to your DAW and plugins. Multifunctional drum pad enables you to trap, arpeggios, roll beat, and launch clip in Ableton Live. Includes downloads for Ableton Live Lite, Novation Bass Station Synths, excellent audio addictive keys, and Lumpmaster sample pack. Novation now offers a 3 years warranty on this and all the Novation products. Number 4. MAudio Code 49 Black. 49 full-size velocity and pressure-sensitive keys with aftertouch, an all-new custom keybed for a clean, precise action for 4 assignable zone for split and layering. 16 fully assigned velocity-sensitive trigger pads for beat production, clip launching, and more. 8 assignable 360 encoded combined with 9 assignable faders and buttons for controlling your DAW and virtual instruments. Minimal setup requires MKIV HUI transport control enables for a simple, seamless setup with today's most popular DAWs. USB bus powered with onboard 5-pin MIDI in and out for standing MIDI data from PC, sequencer for your favorite analog synth. Number 5. MAudio Air61. 32 velocity sensitive keys and channel aftertouch. 45 assignable controls, knob, slider, buttons, transport, and more. 8 dynamic pads for finger drumming and MIDI triggering. USB bus powered on AC adapter requires AC adapter is an optional. Bundle with the Cakewalk production plus pack including 3 incredible instrument and production software. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.